because it's Fiesta and Mactan. Yeah. So there is a lot of people. So we're going to the Al Fresco to find something delicious here. Here is it, a lot of people here. So just walking front of New Town. Yeah, and the church is too full, a lot of too crowded, and also the kadahan tao sa simbahan. Too crowded here. Just walking around to finding food, something delicious here. So it's a lot of Filipina. Yeah, and also very traffic. Look at this. La. Naman sila. Saan naman mo? Gibiyaan mo na ako. I'm sorry because nanay pagkaon anhi earlier no more. Naray mong shake Nadja. Ay daw sudan. Naray mong shake Kaya muli na ko, lain ako. Ha? Ikaw man, muli na. Ikaw maglakad. Mangitar ako. French fries daw iyo. French fries. Dili lang shake. Dili lang shake. Sige, French fries. French fries lang daw. Ha? Asaan na? 49. Flavor. Say flavor. Ano to? Na ilaw pa. Grabe na dyan. Kaya may mo. Pagpilang ko ni dam. Sakos. Ang white rice. Kanak lang di. Putos. Unsa ni nani unod? Lagi lechon pa. Sudah minjin. Balot dam. Balot. Kana dam ay murag ni unod. 100 daghan na daw. Umbot lang sa kadaghan. Muna siya. Bye bye guys, I'm too crowded here, so I will end my video. So but it's tonight is Fiesta here in Mactan, so it's a lot of people eating here. Bye bye.